So I want to share a critical news with you. Basically, it's in relation to FTX. There's a market dump going on. Okay, let me actually share it with you guys. And it's dumping multiple coins. I'll tell you the name of the coins that are supposed to crash, and then this is what I shared in my Telegram, and I'm going to share it with you guys as well. The names are Solana, FTT, BTC, Ethereum, APT, Doge, Matic, Bit, Ton, and XRP. And the total value of these coins that FTX has and is planning to sell is $3.4 billion. They're going to sell $200 million worth of crypto every week. They are expected to receive this approval on September 13th. So FTX is going to start selling, and this news has already come out, and we have seen how Solana dropped by 6-7% because of the news, even though the actual selling hasn't started. It's going to have the same impact on pretty much on all the coins that I've mentioned, 10 coins, and I'll repeat the names for you if you forgot to take the names: Sol, FTT, BTC, ETH, APT, Doge, Matic, Bit, Ton, TON, XRP. These are the coins that FTX is planning on selling. These are the coins that you should watch out for. But my understanding is that it's not just going to be this coin. It's going to be pretty much everything in the market. It's going to lead to a good amount of FUD, which has already started, and the overall market is going to bleed. More and more reasons are appearing for the market to bleed, and I have already shared with you on the live, and I think I didn't make a video on it. I'll cover that in this video as well. Let me find that news. There are 4 important news that I shared. If you are in my Telegram, I've already shared that, okay? But there are 4 important dates that you should be looking out for, okay? And those dates are going to have a negative impact on the market as well. So those dates are, just a second, okay? I'm looking, yeah. So it's September 13th. Oh my God, okay, 2 bad news together on the same date. CPI data release. It's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. September 14, PPI data release, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. September 20, FOMC meeting, for which I'm waiting, which is something that actually always have an impact on the market, and I'm expecting a red, of course. 2 p.m. Eastern time, and September 28, GDP report, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. All these things are going to have a bad impact on the market, and on top of it, now we have one more bad news. And then when we looked at the data and made that separate video on how September is red, I showed you the overall data analysis. So everything is basically adding up to make this month red, and now you know what to do with it. I mean, you should have seen that video from the beginning. If you are a follower, you would have seen that I had posted that this month is going to get red, and that basically means that if you are a person who likes to short the market, you should have started shorting it from there. And I share 5 coins every day: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. And of course, if I reach 100,000 followers, I'll start making 15 videos a day covering 15 coins for you guys. But for now, with this amount of following, I think 5 videos are more than enough for you guys to enjoy. And I've shared all those targets, and pretty much a lot of the coins, they have hit the targets since the beginning of September that I've been sharing. Solana hit all of its targets. Cardano hit 2 of its targets, and XRP hit 2 of its targets, and pretty much all of the other coins, they have been hitting their targets as well. And the thing is that it's not about the hitting of the target or not achieving. It's just about knowing the direction. If you know where the resistance is and what is the direction, you can pretty much benefit from that in a very good way. Like, even if you are trying to DCA, you would not DCA in wrong places. You would know where to buy, and you would know where to exit. And that's the whole point of me creating these news or these videos for you, so you could have a sense of the market, so you could find yourself a direction to understand where the market is heading. Because generally people would pop up and they would share random news and they wouldn't give you a direction, and every YouTuber has a contradictory view compared to the other one, which only perplexes you. But if you are following it based on data and targets, that can easily give you a sense of direction, and you would know where the resistance is and where the support is. And I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you have written down all these names and dates that I gave you. These are critical, and this is how September is going to flow. October is expected to be green, so let's wait for October. If you are not doing margin trading or leverage trading, then you have to wait for October, because I think buying in September, finding that bottom is going to be critical, but you can still find it if you use that pyramid DCA structure. Again, I have a video on that in the education playlist, so watch that. The video is getting longer. Take care. Bye.